Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome back to the Plastic Modeler. In this video, we're gonna discuss these video tasks and make a new vehicle. So without wasting our time, this is our car, this one, and we're gonna make a very modern, stylish, good-looking car with reference images. And I'm gonna show you how to place the reference images correctly. You have in total 3 reference images, which covers the top, front and the back and the side view of the car. Then place them correctly from front, side and back, top also. Then add a plane with mirror modifier. Then start placing the vertices from the top. Make a rough shape of it from the top. Then we can adjust it from side. Add one looper. Just like this, we can add looper in the mesh object. First make the rough shape from the top, then adjust it from the side. We can add much looper as we want, but that's not the right way to do it. Add less loopers in the beginning, then we can add more after we need more. If we need more, then place the vertices correctly and just like this, and place one here. Okay, then extrude them one by one and make a rough shape of it, and from the side view as well maintain the shape. Sometimes it gets a lot of complicated to make from the side and top, but if we focus, then we can make it very easy. It is step-by-step procedure, so we don't have to worry a lot about it. First, make the basic structure of the car. And then adjust the mech by tweaking after we done the modeling work, the basic modeling work. Look from front side as well, so we get the idea where our mesh is and where to fix it. Then extrude out just front to the glass frame. And then we can bevel it for smoothness, but bevel if you need, but if you don't need it, then don't bevel it by just smoothing it. Place the vertices from side view correctly. And then extrude just to the front. Make the hood by vertices and extrude it to the forward. Make a basic round shape on the top and on the side to make it a lot curved, smooth shape. Make the glass in the start. We can make it after we done all the work, but make it from the start. Fill the glass from the start, and then we don't have to do it later on. Make a smooth round shape of the car, just like it looks great. And then make the shape as just it looks good. Then we can move to the back and make from the back and to the side as well. We can do the tweaking part of our car later on, but keeping it perfect from the start is a good way to do it. Now make the car body from the back as well, and fill it correctly as the shape looks great. And look from side view and front view. The both view is important, then we can make it very simply and easily and very fastly. Make a rough shape out of it and cover every part of the car body, and remember to keep it simple and opposite. Simple means we don't have to face any further mesh and less detail. Now cover the side parts like this, and we can make the wheel shape from the side like this, and make the shape as it looks perfect. Then we can fill it from the bottom, just the half part of the body. Then fill it by extruding the front part of the car and extrude it and make the mesh as we have to fill it from the bottom. Then we can add more loop cuts from the bottom to add more detail and fill it correctly and keep the mesh clean and geometry clean. And then when we get the shape we desire and fill it correctly, from the side and back side we want the details in here and from the side and to the whole body. We can make the car look better by tweaking the areas and adjust it from all. Now we need to make the airbag from the side, and that will go to the front. Now let's start adding the details by moving and tweaking some vertices around. First I'm going to start with the front headlight and body. This will be the headlight and the middle. First insert the mirror from the middle and extrude it. Move them a little forward. Insert it just like this. And now make the headlight as well. We can add much details, but we don't need to do that every single time, but a less detailed car looks great. Now move the headlight inwards and duplicate the face of the headlight, and we can color it later on and then it will look great. Move it inwards just like this and duplicate it, move it forward and color it as it looks good. Coloring we will do this after when we done the modeling work. Now it's time to add details to the car. We can add the circle in the edit mode, or we can add a cube in the object mode and make it separate. Make the shape from the car as the car body and look and look from every angle and adjust the shape as it looks good. We can start off with a circle, but adding a cube and making from it is a good way to make it. We can make it to curve and give it some depth, or we can adjust the mesh as we want, but adding the cube will be a quicker and easy way to do it. So I'm gonna add another cube, a cube, and place it just next into the hole and add subdivision modifier with only level 1, or we can move it to level 2. Then place the vertices correctly and add a mirror modifier and make it level 2, just like this. And now from the side view, place the cube correctly. Now adjust the shape from all sides of the cube. We can add more loop cuts, but add loop cuts if it is necessary. Then we apply the modifier and set the shape manually, just like here, and then we set it, tweak every side and make it perfectly. Now we can add color to it as it looks good. Then after we coloring everything, we can make the fans from the back. Modeling work it is added and color the fans as well. And add detail is by coloring every part. And then we will get a final result in the last of the video. Okay guys, this is a quick tutorial for creating a nice modern looking car. Follow me to create more fun stuff like this. Like, share, subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in the next one. Allah Hafiz.